guys, we went to the car show for a little bit. It's starting to rain, so we had to leave. Kind of ruined the video a little bit, but I met another YouTuber there. Seen him with a camera. I'm like, he a YouTuber, right? Hey, buddy, you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your channel? Hold on, buddy. Let me snap a picture of that, because I'm a YouTuber too.
Okay. Yeah, hit me up and we'll do a collab.
Yeah, cool. I'll subscribe when I get home.
All right, thank you.
Yep. So I stopped him on our way out, and I have his channel linked below, because when we got back home, I was checking it out. Looks pretty good. Looks like a pretty good channel. So, never know. Maybe we can hook up. I believe he lives kind of local to me, so that'd be pretty cool. But check out his channel. I was kind of liking some of the videos he had on there and everything. So the car show was pretty good, but a lot of people were leaving when we pulled in, you know. Not as many was there earlier when we went by, and we wanted to go for a side-by-side ride, but the stupid rain. It seems like every time we go for a side-by-side ride, guys, it just rains, man. Every time we go to a car show, I should say, every time we go for a side-by-side ride to a car show, it rains. It just rains. It sucks. I would ride in the rain, but I didn't feel like getting wet today, fellas. I just didn't feel like getting wet today. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to finish working on the R.N.G studio, trying to make it look nice for you guys for when we're in the house. Because come winter time, I know I like to do my live streams in there, and sometimes I like to do some of my other videos in there. So I'm trying to make it look nice instead of all rednecky like the basement did. Made a nice little spot where you guys seen it on my YouTube channel, but there's some changes that I've been making this morning, and then I'm gonna go in and finish it now. Maybe we'll give you a sneak peek real quick at the end of this video to show you guys. So if there's any other local YouTubers that are local to me, hit me up, because maybe we go ride, maybe we can go do other kind of videos, because I'm open. I got another YouTube channel now, and that one is going to be for basically anything and everything except for garage related stuff. This one's going to stay garage related. That one's going to be a little bit of everything, kind of like vlogging style. We're going to talk, have some chats. So definitely go over and check out that video, or definitely go over and check out that channel over there. It's called BS Detective. I'll have it linked in this video down below, and I'll have it linked in a name card somewhere in the video or at the end of the video or something. I'll share a video, whatever. So, but all right, guys, this one's going to be a short one today. I'm going to go in and show you guys the some of the progress on the setup. Give me some ideas for some stuff to do. We're going to make it look nice. We're going to make it look real nice down there. All right, guys, so this is kind of what I'm doing with the place. I mean, let me know if y'all are liking it. Wish I could get the wrinkles out of that flag. I've tried steam. I've tried everything. Them wrinkles will not come out. I can't. I don't know. And the wrinkles on the back wall here, they won't come out either. Hopefully I can stretch it out a little bit more and they'll come out. But those are from being folded up at the store. But man, I think when I had it set up earlier down here, the wall was too bright and it was just kind of washing out the whole picture and the contrast and everything. So I'll be playing around with lighting and see how things go around here. But hopefully you guys can definitely check it out. I think it's looking good. Looking dang good down here. So, alright guys, we're going to close this one out. And make sure you go check out that other YouTuber's channel. And I'll have a link down below as to where you can check that out. I'll tag him in this video so you guys know where to go. But, alright guys. We'll see you on the flip side. I'm going to keep on working on this and making it better, guys. So, peace. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.